Okie dokie, so now we're on page 175. Remember, we put the date. Let's read this here. Read with me, please. Lucy counted how many classmates brought fruit for a snack for 1 week. Brought is the past tense of bring. Get into pairs and use the numbers she recorded to complete the bar chart. So with this information here, you're going to complete this bar chart here. These are the number of students, as you can see here. Weekday, these are the weekdays: Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday, as you see here. So now it's time to you to use this information and put it here. Right? I'm gonna give you 5 minutes to work on this. 5 minutes. Alright. So let's see. So Lucy counted how many classmates brought food for a snack for 1 week. So use the numbers she recorded to complete the bar chart. So let's see. On Monday, number of students 5. So we have to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Do it here. And there we have it. On Tuesday, 8. So we count to 8 here. See, use your colors, your color pencils to color it, please. Wednesday, 11. So So here we have 11th. Color it. Thursday, 4. So we see 1, 2, 3, 4. And on Friday, 7th. 5, 6, 7 here. And there we have it. We have completed the bar chart. All right, very good. See, no questions? Perfect. Now let's move on here to activity number 3. Read the instruction, please. All right. So it says get into teams, but this is going to be individually, of 3 and make a bar chart. So you're going to create one like this that shows 5 chores. Remember, chores are sweeping the floor, mopping the floor, cleaning the room, wash the dishes, vacuum the carpet. Those are chores. You do at home in a week. Mark how many times a week you do each chore. So for example, you can put here, wash the dishes, clean my room, sweep the floor, and then here you put 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, till 8. So how many times a week you wash the dishes? You might say first Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. The 7 days, every day. So you put it like this. It depends on you of how many times of a week you wash the dishes. Okay, and it's here, sorry. There you have it. So now you put more different ones or the same. It's up to you, but they have to be how many? 5 chores. So you need to put 2 more here. All right, I'm gonna give you 5 minutes starting now. Alright. Now let's pay attention to the following video about bar charts. Alright, so pay attention. Let's move on.
Hello, and thanks for joining me today, guys. We are going to learn about bar graphs. If you look right here, you can see that we have some fruit. I wanted to know what types of fruit my friends like, so I went out and asked my friends what fruit they like the most. Here you can see that I have tally marks to show how many of my friends liked which fruit most. You might know already, but a tally mark is a useful way to represent data. Each time a friend told me they liked a certain fruit, I would put a tally mark under that fruit to keep track of how many people liked that fruit. Now we will put all this information that I have gathered into a bar graph. A bar graph is another way to represent data. It is a lot like a picture graph, but without the pictures or symbols. Here's our graph, but the first thing we need to do with any graph is what? We need a title. Since the information we collected was on favorite fruits, let's call it favorite fruit. With this graph, I want to put the names of the fruit on the bottom and the numbers on the left side going up. We can see here on the bottom, we have the names of the fruits. We should label what these are. This is obviously going to be labeled fruit, since they're fruit. On the side, we need to measure how many people liked these different types of fruit. We only need to go up to 6, since our information or tally marks only go up to 6. So the numbers going from 1 to 6 represent the amount of people. We can now fill out the graph according to our data. First in our data are the apples. We can see from the tally marks that 2 of my friends liked apples. So here on the graph, we will have this bar at the bottom go up 2 spots to show that 2 people liked apples. Okay, next we have oranges. How many people liked oranges? Good job. 3 people liked oranges. So we move the bar up to where the 3 is. Now how many people liked pears? We had just 1 that liked pears, so the bar goes up just 1. The last one is bananas. There were 6 people that liked bananas, so the bar goes all the way up to 6. We now have an amazing bar graph that shows all of our data that I collected about what is the favorite fruit to eat.
Alright, so here we have our bar graph. We need to put a title for this bar graph. Maybe we can put it chores at home. And remember, these are the chores, right? So there we have it. We have finished with Smart Mathematician. Now it's time to move and work with Wise Citizen. Alright. Let's move on.